This new Meta Ads update will literally hand you free content from creators you don't even work with yet to immediately run as paid collab ads. Meta just briefed our team on this directly, and our clients are already taking advantage of this, getting stellar results and partnering with tons of new creators from day one. The ROAS is absolutely crushing it. You'll be able to, by the end of this video, run paid collab ads just like this and be able to start using content immediately at the end of this video. So I'm going to show you exactly how this part works, so that way you can get a stellar return on ad spend by leveraging UGC videos that you didn't even know you had available. And even better, you can run retargeting audiences from their page with their own video. So now let's break this down for how this works. Inside of your ads manager, you can literally see this is a client of ours who is absolutely crushing it with the return on ad spend right now. And this brand literally went from 40 to nearly 100K per month in less than 30 days using this exact strategy. And you'll see that they have a lot of UGC content in here, and I'm gonna show you how you can leverage this where you have content available, but you don't even realize it yet. So what you'll do is you'll go into this new update that Meta just dropped, which is going to be under the Partnership Ads Hub. So Meta recently combined the Partnership Ads Hub where anyone in their entire history that has ever tagged your product in a video or an image or has ever mentioned your brand, all of this content will now show in the Partnership Ads Hub, and you can start to run it behind ads. So if your brand has been around for anywhere between 2 to 6 years, you probably have a ton of content from people who've tagged you that you can use in creatives on Meta now. But if you're a recent brand, this is good to know, because now when people start to tag you, you'll be able to have automatic creatives you can start launching. So whenever we get inside of the Partnership Ads Hub, you'll see something that looks just like this. And if we go to content, these are all of the videos of people who have already tagged your brand. And some of you are gonna have a lot of creatives, some of you are gonna have a few. If we click on this drop down right here, it'll show us the ad eligibility and all of the creators who have tagged us in videos. And if we're selling a streetwear clothing item where we're selling tees and shirts, this creator has literally tagged our product in a video right here. This video is not being ran as an ad, and most of you don't even realize there's free content out there for you to run ads behind. And so what we can do is we can see all of these videos in here, how well they're performing organically. And this one specifically is an unboxing video, and it says the ad is ready. So you can see right here, this is a creator reviewing our product, and this has never been ran as an ad before in their ads manager. So what you can do is, since this has already been approved by the creator, they've already given you permission to use it immediately as a partnership ad. So we can literally go inside of the ads manager, create a UGC ad, go to the ad level, turn on partnership ad, and enter in that ad code. So we go here, as you can see, it's ad ready. We can click on it, copy the ID, and if this is a product that is available to sell on our site, you can confirm whether or not it is when you go inside of here. You just come back here, paste the ad code, and literally it'll pull that exact creator and show as a paid collaborator ad. And then we just select that person's page, and we can select our page, and it's going to show their name and our name as a paid collaborator ad. So if you've ever wondered how brands are running paid collab ads, they're using TikTok to migrate creators. They're also spinning up Meta affiliate commission programs where they're onboarding creators and getting videos, but now Meta has dropped a way for you to source all videos that have already been posted that you can also leverage. So this is immediate lift in UGC performance, where quite literally we have this beauty brand that has 120 ads, and you can see we're running tons of UGC collab ads, getting an insane return on ad spend. And then we have another brand here, Lemonhead, which is also using UGC, but they're doing it from their brand only. So you can choose whether or not you do it as a paid collab or just upload the content in general and start running ads behind it. And this doesn't even require a commission if they automatically approve it, which is amazing because we get free content we can launch right away in our ad campaigns. So that is how we can literally get a paid collab ad and launch it. Now, inside of the Partnership Ads Hub, some of these are going to say they need attention. So whenever we're hovering over these videos, some of them might have licensed music, and that means we can't use it. So we can go through and find the ones that don't have licensed music. This one's just a flat lay product image, and some of this stuff just crushes it as is. So since this one needs attention and it doesn't have any licensed music, we can request to collaborate with them on this and start running it as an ad. So what we would do is we'd copy their page, we'd hit request permission, we type in that creator page name, there they are right there, we hit done, next, we select which account you want to use to partner with it, which is going to be our page. And then we hit next, and now we have this available, and we simply hit send. And once you send it, you will be able to start running it behind an ad as soon as they approve it in their DMs. And you can message them and say, hey, we just sent a request to you wanting to collaborate with you. A lot of times creators will just hit accept. And if they do, it will turn it into an eligible ad that we can start running behind their page. And we'll be able to see that once it's approved here. We can even filter down by the usage by choosing ad ready and peel through all of the different creatives that are available to launch right now. And all of these need attention, so we would just go through here and request all of these videos to be able to run as collaborator ads. Once we do that, we can just name it by their UGC profile, and we can launch tons of different UGC videos literally today with this new update. And what Meta's going to do is eventually they're going to roll out the creator marketplace, which is active right now, but it's not super intuitive. They're consolidating it all into the paid partnership ads hub. And later this year, what Meta's second update to this is they're going to take the creator marketplace and turn it into the creator market hub, where it combines both the partnership ads hub and the marketplace together. So that way you can do direct outreach here to onboard additional creators to make content for you and then be able to streamline this entire process. So right now it's split out, and you can do outreach manually through the creator marketplace. We can literally search creators, build lists, build campaigns, and we can do streetwear and find creators to work with and send them DMs to make content, and we can ship out product to them right now. But as it stands currently, it's not super intuitive. So maybe we want to reach out to this creator because they're responsive. It's a little bit of a manual process. We just go and copy their emails, send them a message, send them the product, and then they can tag it in our video. But eventually what you'll be able to do is be able to massively invite, request ad permissions, get the content, and launch it. But as of right now, a lot of you have creator videos in there and images that you can directly use immediately to start launching. So you want to be paying attention to this as Meta releases V2 of this, but as it stands right now, all of you should go leverage those videos and plug them into your ad library. And as this update comes online, you can directly see how the impact of TikTok is affecting all other platforms out there. Everyone's rushing to launch creator marketplaces because they know creators drive massive value for brands, and it's an easy way to maximize results because you can get endless creatives by getting people to make videos for you. And that's why we talk about spinning up creator armies and the creative flywheel in these two videos right here. And so with that being said, Meta knows they need to be in this space, so they're starting to push for being able to automate and streamline this entire process where you can mass onboard creators and start having a creative engine directly inside of Meta to constantly launch UGC creatives. So although I just showed you how to find creators for collab ads, that alone is not enough to scale your brand on Meta. I'll show you exactly what strategy you should be running in order to confidently scale your brand in this next video here. So go ahead and go there, and I will see you in the next video.